Welcome back, I'm George, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi connection on your Android phone. Whether it is because it's not connecting to the network or because it doesn't detect the network, there is actually a very easy solution. The first thing you need to do is to tap on this little wheel nearby your Wi-Fi network. Don't worry if you don't see your Wi-Fi network and therefore you can't click on the little wheel. Further on in the video, there's going to be a second method that will most likely solve your problem if you're not able to see your Wi-Fi network. But for those of you who do see the Wi-Fi network, let's tap on the little wheel. Then let's tap on View More and scroll down to IP settings because we have to change it from DHCP to static. As you can see, it's going to display all the network settings for that Wi-Fi connection that we can now change to ideally fix your issue. So the first thing you need to do is to delete the last number on your IP address, just the last number. And you'll probably see a different number with a different amount of characters. Don't worry, doesn't matter. You just need to delete the last number on your IP address. I'm going to do it right now. Then you tap Next. We are not going to do anything to the getaway. We are not going to do anything to network prefix length, but we are going to change DNS1 and DNS2. In this case, for DNS1, just delete all the characters and then type 8.8.8.8. There it is. And for DNS2, we are going to do the same thing, but we are going to type 8.8.4.4. So just as a small recap, delete the last number on your IP address and then set DNS1 to 8.8.8.8 and DNS2 to 8.8.4.4. Once that's done, remember to tap Save. And ideally, your Wi-Fi connection should be working for everything you would want to do with your phone. Let's do a little check, opening YouTube. As you can see, it works really fast as it gets. But in the rare occasion that it didn't work, don't worry, there's one more thing you can do. If you go to the search bar and type reset right there, you can scroll down to Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Now, if you tap right here on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings and tap again on the blue icon, it is then going to reset all your Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth settings. So it's going to forget all the Wi-Fis you have stored on your phone, all the Bluetooth accessories you have, but it is very likely going to fix any kind of Wi-Fi issues you would have on your phone. So this is the last resource just in case the previous method didn't work on your phone. Now that being said, I hope the tricks were useful and I have updated my Amazon Mega Deals page, the page where you'll find the best deals on Amazon available at this moment. So now that the video is about to end, I recommend you go take a look.